December 4th, 2020, writing. The following slide will contain a writing prompt. After reading the prompt, you must solve it and respond with a written mathematical explanation of how you solved the problem using 2 vocabulary words. Lucy divided her 4,599 spools of thread evenly into 3 boxes. How many spools of thread did she put in each box? Then explain in words how you solved that problem using at least 2 vocabulary words. All right, so she divided. So when she divided, that means we're going to divide 2. All right, so when we divide, on the inside of our house as our dividend, we have 4,599, because that's what we're dividing. 4,599 divided by our divisor, which is 3, because she puts them into 3 boxes. So it's going to be 3 out here on the outside of our house, called our divisor. Now, first, how many times can 3 go into 4? I know that 3 can go into 4 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to put my 3 down here. Now we're going to subtract. So, there we go. Now we're going to subtract. 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. All right, am I done? No. We got to bring down that 5. We didn't use it yet. So bring down that 5. Now we can ask yourself, well, how many times does 3 go into 15? 3 goes into 15 5 times. Because guess what? I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to put that right down here. And then I'm going to subtract. Well, 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So in other words, 15 minus 15 is 0. Am I done? Because I got a 0? No, we still need to bring things down. So we're going to bring down this 9. Because we didn't use it yet. Maybe not. I don't know why it says, okay, well, that's fine. Okay, so bring down that 9. Now, how many times can 3 go into 9? It can go in 3 times. So I'm going to put that 3 up here. What is 3 times 3? It is 9. I am going to take this and move it up. There we go. All right, so now we're going to do 9 minus 9. And 9 minus 9 is going to equal 0. Am I done now? Oh, we got to bring down that last 9 because we didn't bring it down yet. So when we bring down this 9, whoa. No, over here. There we go. When we bring down this 9, how many times can 3 go into 9? Well, we can go in again 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And then when we subtract 9 minus 9, we get 0. 9 minus 9, we get 0 as a remainder. So now we have 0 here. So we're going to take a look and write about it because we're done. We don't have anything else to bring down. So our answer is 1,000, or I should say our quotient is 1,533. And that's going to be 1,533 spools of thread in each box. So we're going to write down what we did. First, well, we had to rewrite that problem to make it look a little nicer for us. So first, rewrite the problem with 4,599 as your dividend and 3 as your divisor. And ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 4? All right, so first rewrite the problem with 4,599 as your dividend on the inside of the house and 3 as your divisor on the outside of the house. And ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 4? Then we multiplied, so we knew that 3 went into 4 one time. So then we ended up multiplying, so then multiply 3 and 1 to get 3. Then multiply 3 and 1 to get 3, and you will find, then you will find the difference between 4 and 3, which is 1. So then multiply 3 and 1 to get 3, so 3 times 1 equals 3. Then you will find the difference between 4 and 3, so 4 minus 3, which is 1. And look at that, we've got a vocab word. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Let's do that green. All right, next. Bring down the next digit. So we bring down that 5. So bring down the next digits, which is, my fingers aren't working, which is 5. And ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 15? Now multiply 3 and 5 to get a product of 15, and then subtract 15 from 15 to get 0. So next, bring down the next digit, which is 5, and ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 15? Because we brought that 5 down and we had that 1 there. Now multiply 3, so which we knew was 5. So now we multiply 3 and 5 to get 15. And then we subtract 15 from 15 to get 0. And I know that that word product is a vocab word. Ding, ding, ding. We'll do that blue. All right, after. Well, we're just going to repeat the process. So after we repeated, repeat this process until there are no other digits left to bring down, checking along the way, of course. Also, I know that we're always going to check along the way, of course. And so after, we just keep repeating that process. So what we've been doing until there's no other digits left to bring down, checking along the way. Finally, once you have no other digits left to bring down, finally, once you have no other digits to bring down, I don't need to say left. I'm going to say when you have no other digits to bring down, with no remainders, you will get a value of 1,533, which represents the number of spools in each box. Let me put that down a little bit. Perfect. So finally, once you have no other digits to bring down with no remainders, you will get a value of 1,533, which represents the number of spools in each box. And also, I know that word value is a vocab word. Woohoo! We're on a roll. And that is going to be it for our vocab. For our writing, which has at least two vocab words. In this case, we have 3. And that's going to be it. Great job!